Hi, my name is Anish Chaganty. I'm the co-writer and director of Searching. We're here today at the YouTube Space in LA, where I get a chance to meet with some really talented filmmakers, all of whom get a chance to make a movie that will play before the movie starts in theaters.
911, what's your emergency?
I'm calling to report a missing person.
Okay, who is this regarding?
My daughter.
Most people have some sort of idea as to like how they're going to incorporate the theme of We Are What We Hide or technology, and most of all, tell a story that feels uniquely them. There's 1,000 ways that technology allows for any sort of story, and if you can kind of do that from there, like, I think that'd be tight.
I think it kind of gave us an idea of how we can adjust our concept a little bit.
Somehow in that shot, you should be able to convey to the audience that he's unable to get her.
There are things that we do hide. There are things that we are hiding from our own parents.
Here you're able to say like two things at once, which I think is like really, really interesting to talk about.
He's all about pushing the boundary a little bit and making something that hasn't been done.
Anytime, just reach out.
I'd be very excited to share progress with him and hopefully make it really, really good.
It's not a movie for this time, it is a movie about this time.
Soon, I'll be choosing the best short film to show in front of our movie.
Great!
I'm really, really excited to see what they make.
I didn't know her. I didn't know my daughter.